everyone. Thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I will show you how to make the perfect beans and yam porridge. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. I will be using black eyed peas. You can use any beans of your choice. I will transfer the beans inside boiling water and stir. I'll cover and cook the beans for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I'll remove the beans from the stove. I'm going to strain it out, give it a quick rinse, and this is to avoid any bloating gotten from eating beans. I will transfer the beans back inside the pot. Add enough onions. Add hot water, just a little bit above the beans. I'll stir it. You can add more water later if there is need for. I'll cover and cook the beans until the beans is 90% done. Here I have the yam. I have washed the yam already. I'm going to cut out the peas I'll be using for this recipe. And slice. The amount of yam you use is totally up to you. I will cut the yam into cubes and take out any brown part from the yam. Leave the cut yams inside water to prevent them from turning brown. Next, I'll be using crayfish, salt, red palm oil, pepper. Add pepper to your taste, onions. I will transfer the pepper inside the blender and blend. That is done. In a pan, I'll add some red palm oil. Allow the oil to heat up. Add diced onions and stir. I will fry the onions for about 3 to 5 minutes. So from time to time, I'll give it a quick stir so it doesn't get burnt. Once the onions is well fried, I'll add the blended pepper and stir. I'll cover and allow the pepper to fry. Once the pepper is nicely fried, I'll add blended crayfish and stir. I'll leave it for about 2 minutes and then take it off the stove. The beans is almost ready. I'll add salt, add the cut yams, and stir. It's best to add salt to the beans when the beans is almost ready. If you add salt too early, it will prevent the beans from cooking fast. I will add the pepper sauce. Stir them together. You can taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. If you like it very liquidy, you can also add more water at this point. I'm going to leave them to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until the yam is ready. 20 minutes later, I will stir and I will check the yam. At this point, the yam is ready. The beans is ready. The beans and yam porridge smells amazing. It looks amazing. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma going on in my kitchen. And if you like it very light, you can add more water at this point. And the beans and yam porridge is ready. I'm going to go ahead to enjoy myself. It was very, very delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.